Hello student, today in this video we are going to do a practical. This kind of questions may come in your paper, that how to create your program in Scratch. So let's we do this program. One by one we will read out the question and we will follow the same step in our Scratch software. So our first question says that delete the cat spirit from the stage and add another spirit of your choice from the library. Okay, so we will take one spirit, and what kind of spirit we have to take from the library, that is this is what we have to place on our stage, that is grab. So first question, we have to delete it, the cat, and then spirit should be added in the stage. Let me start. This is our online software Scratch. First we will delete this spirit. You can see that dustbin kind of thing is present. You have to just click on this dustbin. It will be deleted. Now you have to click on choose a spirit and go to search. As you click on search, you have to click on animals, and from animal you have to select crab. This is a crab. Now you can see student, we have got one crab on our stage. So our first question completed, that is we have to delete the spirit from the stage and another spirit should be added, so that we have did. Now second, use the event block to start a program. So we'll do one more, that we have to go to the event block and we will select when flag click to start our animation. So second question is also done. Now third is use the pen and motion blocks to draw the red rectangle as shown in the image given below. So you have seen that how this red rectangle is being drawn by the grab, that we have to do it. Let's we make a rectangle of red color. For that we have to go to the pen option. So you can see student, pen option is not available. It's not available in the motion, looks and sound, event control, sensing also. So for that you have to click on this add extension. Once you click on this add extension, you will get few more commands over here, and we want this pen, so click on pen. Now you can see 10 options are available on your screen. Then you have to click pen down. Pen down means you want to draw something, that is why you are using pen down option. So you have clicked pen down. Now with the help of motion block you will move the crab to make a rectangle. For that you have to click on move. one option, change pen color. So you have to click on it and drag and drop it and select the saturation, then you have to change it. Or you can take color of the pen also, like here we have, just remove this one, set pen color. So you can set the pen color also. Now just drag it and make it red in color. So how we have changed. Now the pen color, whatever the crab is going to make, that rectangle will be in red color. Now student, you can see that as I click on this green color flag, the crab will make a rectangle. You can see the crab has actually made it a rectangle. Again, I want over here one more rectangle, so you have to click on green flag and look how the crab is actually created. But it is not too much visible. If I remove this all step, you can see that the crab is actually making a line and move 90 degrees. See, I hope student you have understood this construction of rectangle by using two commands, pen down and motion. Okay students, so we have completed up to dragging of crab in different directions. That will make a rectangle. Now we will understand that how the crab will say dialogue as given in the question number D. Use the looks block to display a call out saying this is a rectangle. So we have to add one dialogue over here by using looks block. So the first comment, that is say hello for 2 seconds. Instead of hello, we will type this is a rectangle. For 2 seconds. Now we will see that whether it is working or not. So we will press a green flag, and yes, you can see that rectangle is made by the crab and it will say this is a rectangle. So crab is saying the word this is a rectangle. So here we have completed the question D also. Now the next question is E. Once the spirit display a call out, the spirit will make a sound. So we have to add one sound in it. So how to add a sound in it? We will go to sound option and then pop sound is given. So you can add that sound also. You can play also by using this play button. And you can understand that how the sound will be there when we add this in our animation. Okay, so from the sound block we can use play sound pop until done, because the question says that once the spirit display a call out, the spirit will make a sound. So we can use this start sound pop up, or you can use play sound pop until done. So we can add this also. Now you can see if I click on this green flag. Okay, so at the end of making the rectangle by the crab and saying the dialogue that this is a rectangle, at the end the sound will play. If you add this pop sound until done. If you use start sound pop, let's see whether how it works. Okay, so at the end of it, this is also creating a sound of pop. You can change the sound pop with the help of record button also. You can add your own sound also. So this is how we have completed the next E question also. Now F, execute your script using the green flag. So now execute your script using the green flag that we did. We have pressed the green flag also, and we have seen that how the crab is making the rectangle and making the sound. Then G question is save your Scratch project with the given file format. So we have to save our file. Now we will save our file. For that, what we have to do, you have to click on file, then save to your computer option is there. Save to your computer. As you click on that option, you can see that project is downloading in your computer system. So I hope student you have understood all the questions A, B, C, D, E, F and G. Now student, you will perform this practical yourself. Try to make it. Try this student in your own system, and we know that we can do it in our laptop, desktop, in mobile also, and in your tab also. You can make your animation online also by using this Scratch online version. So thank you student for watching this video. Have a nice day.